Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at creating a book using the mobile app. I'm using the iPad, and first of all, after logging in, we're going to click on Create. Now I'm going to choose to do a landscape book, so I'm going to select the landscape option and then press Next. Now I need to add some pages to my book, and you can do that either by taking a new photo, or in my case I'm going to add from gallery. So I'm going to choose those pages that I've already taken, select those images, and I'm going to actually select a 12-page book so I can print it. In the option in the top left here, you can actually see the printed book options are 12, 36 or 60 pages. So once that's loaded, I've got those pages in. They are looking pretty good. I'm actually just going to move that contents page by holding it down and make it the page on the left there. And then the other thing I'm going to do is edit that first front cover. So I do that by clicking on the page. Shows you the preview, and I'm going to click Tap to edit. Now the tool, the mobile app will try and find the edge of the image for you. And if I press the tick, that will accept that selection. But I can see on the left-hand side, and also slightly at the top, there's a very little bit of dark border, which I want to get rid of. So I'm going to go back. And I'm going to drag this orange border just inside onto the white paper to get a nice clean edge. So drag that in slightly, and you can see just a slight adjustment in there like that. Same for this corner. I'll do that by holding down and dragging slightly. And then once I'm happy, like it's good now, I'm going to click tick again. And this time you can see that green border has disappeared. Now I need to turn this around. So let's tick the rotate option 3 times to get it the right around. Perfect. And then press tick. And that's going to update that thumbnail. And now you can see that the front cover looks great. It's the right way around and it's trimmed neatly. And the book looks good. So the next step is to preview that. And in the book preview, you can just swipe to turn the pages. And you can check that the book looks like you are expecting it to. That looks great. I'm going to press the X to close that. And now I'm going to go next. I can give the book a title. I'm going to call this The Bare Facts. There's options to edit the author and the illustrator. By default, it'll be your first name. And then finally, the option around library visibility. That allows you to make the book completely private. If you want to do that so that no one else can see it, no one in your book club or any other library, then you tap that black lock and make it closed. That will ensure that the book is only visible to you. If you're happy for it to be shared to your book club or any other libraries that you add it to, then leave that unchecked and then click Add to Library. And that's it. The book will start loading, and you can see on the status at the top, you've got the option. You can see the pages loading and the option to retry. If there's any issues, you can option to retry that if the book fails or you get your internet connection interrupted for any reason. And then you'll get an email just like that to say, perfect, your book's been uploaded. And that's it. That's how to create a book and upload it to the platform. Thanks for watching. Happy scribing.